Year 3 and 4, it's me, Mrs McKee, back in my hut, ready for some more music. I hope you had a bit of a break last week. I certainly did, had a bit of a breather after making all of these videos in my super hot hut, but now I'm back and I'm ready for some more music, some different themes and some activities that we can do as Year 3 and 4 together. So I thought this time, being that we have all been spending perhaps a little bit more time outdoors and we've all been trying to shop a little bit less and use the things that we have in our house a little bit more, that perhaps we should do some songs about the environment and climate change and recycling. So I don't know if you've noticed, the air feels a lot cleaner, there have been fewer cars on the road, so I've got plenty of songs and activities that are going to be all based on the environment so that we can make sure we can keep it up. When this is hopefully over, we can all remember the lessons that we learnt whilst we were all reusing and recycling. That's going to be the song we do later. But let's get ourselves going. First of all, don't know about you, but I haven't sung for a couple of weeks, so I need to get my voice working again, and I need to get my brain working again. So I'm going to start off with one of my favourite silly songs, which works really well when we've got big classes all together and we can do it as a kind of a round, but it doesn't matter, we can do it on our own. So I'll do it first for you. It's got some actions, which I will hope you will join in with when we do it next time. So it goes like this. Ding dong, I've got the rhythm in my head. Hot dog, I've got the rhythm in my head. Ding dong, I've got the rhythm in my head. Ding dong, oh ding dong, hot dog. It's only got 2 words really, hasn't it? Ding dong and hot dog. We can manage that. Okay, so this time I'm going to sing it again and I want you to try and copy the actions. Every time we go ding dong, you nod your head to the side. Every time I say hot dog, clap your hands. Ready? Off I go. Ding dong, I've got the rhythm in my head. Hot dog, I've got the rhythm in my head. Ding dong, I've got the rhythm in my head. Ding dong, hot dog. How did you get on? Did the last phrase fool you a little bit? Did it have a slightly different pattern? Let's learn it. My go first. Ding dong, I've got the rhythm in my head. Ding dong, I've got the rhythm in my head. Did you sing it? Next bit is exactly the same, just different words. My go first. Hot dog, I've got the rhythm in my head. Hot dog, I've got the rhythm in my head. Okay, so let's do those 2 together. Ding dong, I've got the rhythm in my head. Hot dog, I've got the rhythm in my head. Off we go. Ding dong, I've got the rhythm in my head. Hot dog, I've got the rhythm in my head. Very good. Now I'm going to do phrase 3 and I want you to see whether you can tell whether I have sung it before or whether it's different. Off I go. Ding dong, I've got the rhythm in my head. Had I sung it before? Or was it different? If you said yes, I have sung it before, you were right. It's exactly the same as the first 2 phrases. In fact, it's exactly the same as the first phrase because it's the same words as well. So we can do 3 now. Off we go. Ding dong, I've got the rhythm in my head. Hot dog, I've got the rhythm in my head. Ding dong, I've got the rhythm in my head. Did you get it? Brilliant. If you want to be really flash, you can swap sides for both ding dongs. And then the very last line, do you remember? Is slightly different. Goes like this. Off I go. Ding dong, hot dog. There's no rhythm in the head bit, which is why it's different. 3 ding dongs and a hot dog. I'll do it again. Off I go. Ding dong, hot dog. You'll go. Ding dong, hot dog. So from the beginning. Ding dong, hot dog, ding dong, hot dog. If anybody was listening to this through the window, they'd think I was mad. Don't say they'd be right. Off we go. Ding dong, I've got the rhythm in my head. Hot dog, I've got the rhythm in my head. Ding dong, I've got the rhythm in my head. Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, hot dog. Excellent. Faster. Are you ready? Off we go. Ding dong, I've got the rhythm in my head. Hot dog, I've got the rhythm in my head. Ding dong, I've got the rhythm in my head. Ding dong, ding dong, hot dog. How'd you get on? I find the hardest thing about that song is actually knowing when to breathe, because each phrase stops before the first beat of the pulse in each bar. We know what that is, year 4, don't we? So there's no space to breathe. You just have to snatch them where you can. Let's do it one more time and really make those actions nice and clear. Ready, steady, off we go. Ding dong, I've got the rhythm in my head. Hot dog, I've got the rhythm in my head. Ding dong, I've got the rhythm in my head. Ding dong, ding dong, hot dog. Smashing. Now we shall do a little bit of something else with that next week. But if you want to practice it at home and you've got more than one person there with you, I'd hope you had, who's willing to sing, that might be more difficult. You could do that as a bit of a round. So you could teach it to them. Make sure that you got it really, really, really good before you start doing it as, well, could it be a round? Could it be a canon? Have a go and see what happens. Maybe start at different points in the song and see what it sounds like. We'll have a go with that next week. Right, I'm not going to sit down yet, even though I am quite hot in this hut. It does get very, very warm when the sun's out, and it's been very, very warm over the last few days. So I'm going to stay standing up because I want to explain pitch to you this week. I think that year 4 have probably got a bit of an idea about what I'm talking about when I say the word pitch, and I think the year 3s may have picked a bit up as we've been going along this year. So what we're going to be doing over the next few weeks is looking at the relationship between high and low and middle sounds, so whether a note is higher or lower than the one that came before. Now in Western music and classical music, we call it, we use something called scales, okay, scales. And in our Western scale, we have 8 different notes, 8 different pitches, okay? And each one will be progressively higher than the next one as you go up the sequence, and then progressively lower as you go down the sequence. So what I want to do today is to just introduce you to the idea of pitch as being numbers of a scale. If you were going to learn a classical instrument like piano or violin or something like that, scales are something that you have to learn for exams if you're going to do a test. So if you do learn a musical instrument, you'll know what I'm talking about. What I'm going to do today, though, is give each of the notes of the scale from 1 to 8 a different part of the body to tap on. Okay? So, number 1 is going to be your toes. You can't see mine. All right? So, toes. Yeah, that's 1. Knees is going to be 3. Thighs is 4. Hips is 5. Sorry, I've missed one out, haven't I? 1 is toes, 2 is knees, whoops, thighs 3, hips 4, shoulders 5, 6 on top of your head, 7 hands up, and 8 really stretched up. So can we just try doing each of those actions, all right? So we're going to go from toes, knees, thighs, hips, shoulders, head, hands, high. Okay? Try it again with me. Write down. Toes, knees, thighs, hips, shoulders, head, hands. Hi. Great. So now whilst you do that, I'm going to sing the numbers of the scale from 1 to 8. So have a listen first and then you can join in. I'm going to start down here, so I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. Yeah, you join in with me. Off I go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Maybe you could join in with the singing this time. Off we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Did you do it? One more time, and then when we get to the top, I wonder if we could go backwards. Off we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do 8 again. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I went a bit slower for you there so you could catch up. Shall we do backwards again? Starting from 8. Let's try it. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Can we try a tiny bit faster right from the beginning? Off we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Goodness me, was that a bit like patting and yeah, maybe. Okay, so now we're going to sit down because we're going to see if we can use the idea of pitch in a song. This is called Little Echo. And what I have decided to do is to skip the first bit, if I can, and then we're going to just do the song with some numbers. Okay? So if I get the track up and ready, we'll hear what the tune is first of all, but then we're going to see if we can sing the numbers that match the tune. Don't panic. Oops. Don't panic because we'll do this probably next time. So to start off with, we're just going to sing it to La. So I'll sing and then you la to me. So we go like this. La la la, la la la, re mi la, la la la, la la la, do re mi, la la la, so la mi, la la la, fa so la, la la la, la la la. Okay, so could you hear that was made up of a pattern of notes that were all next door to each other, and they were all notes in the scale that we've just done using our body. See, I don't make any of this up. There's a plan here. We're going to go back and do it again, and I want you just to sing it to La again for me, okay? Here we go. So just sing it to La and see if you can work out where we are in the scale. Alright, because eventually we will use numbers. Here I go. La la la, so la mi, la la la, re mi la, la la la, fa mi re, la la la, do re mi, la la la, so la mi, la la la, fa so la, la la la, la la la, so la ti do. Okay, so we should kind of have the tune in our head now, yeah? Again, it's an echo, so all you have to do is to copy what I'm doing. Right, so now comes the slightly trickier bit. We are going to try and put the numbers to the pitches that we've first heard. So we know that a scale has 8 notes, and this song starts on the fifth note. So where was that on our bodies? Here. Okay. We're not going to try and be that clever to do the actions at the same time today, because that would just blow your mind. So we're just going to copy the numbers now. Let's go really slowly before we do it with the music. So I'll go first and then it's your turn. So we're giving each pitch a different number. My go first. 5, 4, 3. You do it. 5, 4, 3. My go. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 4, 3, 2. 4, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 5, 4, 3. 5, 4, 3. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 6, 6, 5. 6, 6, 5. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. How was that? Okay? Not too bad? Did you notice the very last question and answer has got 4 sounds in it? 5, 6, 7, 8. All the rest of them only had 3. 5, 5, 1. Okay? Right, so if we've had a little go with that now, shall we try it with the music? It goes a little bit faster. 5, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Here we go. Off I go. 5, 4, 3.
5, 4, 3.
2, 3, 4.
2, 3, 4.
4, 3, 2.
4, 3, 2.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
5, 4, 3.
5, 4, 3.
4, 5, 6.
4, 5, 6.
6, 6, 5.
6, 6, 5.
5, 6, 7, 8.
5, 6, 7, 8.
How did you get on? Good, I hope. So I hope you understand what we're trying to achieve here. We're trying to give each of the notes of the scale a number from 1 to 8. So the lowest note is 1 and the highest note is 8. Okay? So we'll do a little bit more with that next week and see if we can just explain pitch a little bit more. So, time for our first song about the environment. This is great, this song. I really, really enjoy it. And what I thought I might do, because there's quite a few words in it, is that I might send the lyrics to your teachers or Mrs Killick, and then she can post them wherever she's been posting them. I don't know. I think I had sent some lyrics for the sing-alongs if you've been doing those, so they probably would be in the same place. Or it might be that your teachers just send them straight to you, because hopefully you might be doing a little bit of work on the environment within your own lessons. Okay, so we're going to learn the chorus of this first of all, and there's a little bit of a chant bit that comes at the beginning and the end. We are going to do it 4 times, and each time we do it, we need to get a little bit louder. Who can think, do they know the Italian word for gradually getting louder? I'm sure we've mentioned this before, year 4. It starts with a k and ends with a do. A crescendo. That's the Italian word for gradually getting louder. That's what we're going to do at the beginning of this song. You're going to do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Reduce. Reuse. Recycle. Do it with me. Off we go. Reduce. Reuse. Recycle. Can you hear that there are 4 beats rest? Reduce. Reuse. Recycle. A little bit louder. Off we go. Reduce. Reuse. Recycle. Great, so by the time we've done 4 of those, we should be saying that quite loudly. Reduce, reuse, recycle. That's the message of this song. We are going to learn the chorus now. I'm going to play it to you first and then you get to have a go. You can join in with the reduced reuse bit now. Here we go. Let's see if it's ready. Let's turn it up a bit. So 4 times, getting louder. Off.
Reduce, reuse, recycle.
Have a break. And again.
Reduce, reuse, recycle.
3rd time, bit louder.
Reduce, reuse, recycle.
Last time, quite loud.
Reduce, reuse, recycle.
So here comes the chorus. This is what we're going to learn this week.
What's it worth, planet Earth? Tell me, what does it mean to you? What's it worth, planet Earth? Tell me, what are you prepared to do?
So that's the chorus. I think we can probably manage that, can't we? I'm going to have a quick sip of water because it gets a bit dry in here. And then we're going to start that first bit. So can you hear most of this chorus has got kind of what we call syncopated beats. Not hardly any of it is just nice and steady on the heartbeat of the music. It's all wonky, and that's what gives it a bit of a groove. Okay, so make it nice and groovy. My go first. What's it worth? Planet Earth. You'll go. What's it worth? Planet Earth. Did you get it? Bit wonky. Next bit goes like this. Tell me, what does it mean to you? You'll go. Tell me, what does it mean to you? Hope you got that. So we're going to do those 2 together. My go first. What's it worth? Planet Earth. Tell me, what does it mean to you? You'll go. What's it worth? Planet Earth. Tell me, what does it mean to you? Did you get it? Hopefully your tell me comes in quite quickly after Planet Earth. Did you hear that? Planet Earth, tell me, what does it mean to you? So just be wide awake for that bit. Next bit's the same as the beginning. What's it worth? Planet Earth. And then this next last section sounds a bit like phrase 2, but it goes up to your higher part of your voice at the end. So it goes like this. Tell me, what are you prepared to do? You'll go. Tell me, what are you prepared to do? Let's do it again. Tell me, what are you prepared to do? Can you hear that? Cool. So from the beginning, I'll go first. I go first. What's it worth? Planet Earth. Tell me, what does it mean to you? Let me do it again. What's it worth? Planet Earth. Tell me, what are you prepared to do? Let's go. What's it worth? Planet Earth. Tell me, what does it mean to you? What's it worth? Planet Earth. Tell me, what are you prepared to do? Okay, so you have got the chorus now. Excellent, because that happens about 4 times during this song. So all we'll need to do next time is to learn the little bits in the middle and the kind of, there's a bit of a rappy bit at the end. Would you like to listen to the rest of it? And now you can join in with the chorus when it comes. And the reduce, reuse, recycle. Watch out, there is another one of those near the end, but it's shrunk and faster. Right, so let's go from the beginning. Here we go. Hope you can hear it. Might be a bit fuzzy with this bass. Ready for reduce?
Reduce, reuse, recycle.
Crescendo.
Reduce, reuse, recycle.
Crescendo.
Reduce, reuse, recycle.
Last one. Good and loud.
Reduce, reuse, recycle.
So here comes the chorus. What's it worth?
What's it worth? Planet Earth. Tell me, what does it mean to you? beautiful blue-green paradise should be the pride of the universe. So whoever you are, whatever you do, let's put the planet first.
Now it is different. You can go reduce.
Reduce for less packaging on the products that you choose. Reuse, don't just chuck away something someone else could use. Recycle, cause your rubbish being reborn as something new. Reduce, reuse, recycle.
Chorus 2 times.
What's it worth? Planet Earth, tell me what does it mean to you? What's it worth? Planet Earth, tell me what are you prepared to do?
Do that again.
What's it worth? Planet Earth, tell me what does it mean to you? What's it worth? Planet Earth, tell me what are you prepared to do?
Great. So we've almost got half the song already because we've learnt those choruses. All we need to do is learn the verses and a little bit of chanting, rapping at the end. Excellent. So I hope you're looking forward to doing a few more activities about the environment, planet Earth, climate change, recycling, all those things that are really important that we keep going even when all this is over. I hope you have a good week. I hope you've enjoyed this video and I will see you next time. Take care everyone. Bye.